China's AI robots, the next tech revolution? Ever wondered what the future holds for AI and robotics? China is rapidly emerging as a global leader in this space, pushing boundaries faster than ever before. China's investment in AI and robotics is massive, fueling rapid innovation. From manufacturing to healthcare, AI-powered robots are transforming industries at an unprecedented pace. These robots are not just performing simple tasks, they're learning, adapting, and becoming more sophisticated. This evolution is driven by cutting-edge research and a strong government focus. We're seeing breakthroughs in areas like autonomous navigation and human-robot interaction. Imagine robots capable of performing complex surgeries or managing entire factories independently. These advancements are already being implemented in various sectors. Expect to see more AI-driven solutions in logistics, agriculture, and even space exploration in the near future. China's rapid progress in AI robotics could reshape the global economy. It presents both opportunities and challenges for other nations to adapt and compete. The future is closer than you think. Stay informed, explore the possibilities, and prepare for a world increasingly shaped by intelligent machines. Want to dive deeper into the world of AI robotics? Subscribe to our channel for more insights, analysis, and future predictions. Don't forget to like this video and share your thoughts in the comments below.